I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your payment isn't going through on Citibank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Log into your Citibank account and verify your balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment details you entered, including the recipient's account number and payment amount. A small typo can lead to a failed transaction. Step 3. Review payment limits. Citibank may have daily transaction limits that could affect your payment. Check your account settings for any restrictions. Step 4. Ensure your card is active. If you were using a debit or credit card, confirm that it is active and not expired. You can check this in the card management section of your account. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Hopefully, these steps help you get your payment processed smoothly. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions.